Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be reviewing Dragon Touch 15.6 inches digital calendar, which is a smart family planner that combines a digital calendar, chore charts, dinner planner, and photo frame into one 15.6 inches touchscreen hub. It is designed to become the central command center for the busy households. But is it actually worth it in 2026? Let's just find that out in today's video. If you want to check out the pricing and the availability of the product, the link is in the description. So right away, you are going to get a 15.6 inch 1080p full HD touchscreen that looks sharp and responsive. This isn't just a basic digital photo frame. It supports the Google Calendar, iCloud, and Share Calendar. That makes it very easy to sync multiple family schedules in one place. One of the standout features is the color-coded schedule system. Each family member gets their own color, which makes weekly planning much easier to see at a glance. The interactive chore chart is another big highlight. Kids can tap to mark the tasks complete, which adds a surprisingly motivating hands-on element. It turns the chores into something visual and engaging instead of just another reminder. There is also a built-in dinner planner and grocery list accessible for both the display and the companion mobile application. That means fewer forgotten ingredients and less daily chaos. So if I talk about its strengths, if I talk about the pros first, so you will get crisp 1080p display. It is smooth, responsive, and very good touchscreen. You will get seamless calendar syncing, remote management through the mobile application. The functions as a digital photo frame when it is ideal. So if you are managing multiple schedules, school events, chores, and meal planning, this device can genuinely simplify your household organization. It's especially useful for the families with school-aged children who benefit from the visual structure. So if you want it, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.